Somebody want to leave Babylon. This guy right here, he got angel wings on his head. What's that? The Art of Wynwood, Miami, Florida. Oh, that's beautiful. Am I gonna get some good rest? Because the airport really is right there. They go off like every 15 minutes, but honestly, if I can't fall asleep within 15 minutes, then maybe I should go see a doctor.
When the planet first kicked off, basically it was the four twins. It was four twins. It was Earth, Wind, Water, and Fire all wrapped up in one person, just like us today. Earth, Wind, Water, and Fire, total opposite energy when you stop and think about it, but somehow they blend perfectly when it comes to a human being. Your lungs is air, your body's made of 90% water, your flesh is of the earth, the soul is of the fire.
How hard is it to be consistent as an artist?
It's not hard when the passion and the genuine interest in what you are doing, if you call yourself an artist, is there. Yet, it is very difficult, and in my own experience, I could tell you that I've certainly been thrown off my rocker a few times from situations of just foo-foo-ness in general, and being scammed and losing a lot or putting in much and not receiving anything. Yet the belief and the interest that I have in the projects I create by myself and alongside my other homies that are featured on the Snore Babylon, it didn't make consistency hard, with the thought in the back of my mind that I created this knowing that I'm helping myself and other artists as well that I just want to see live in their glory. So consistency really will always be there as long as the passion, and that doesn't mean that an obstacle is not going to slow you down. I can tell you all day long about that. So the hardness of consistency to me only means that the drive was never there in the first place. And we're all going to be tested regardless anyway. So you really just have to remain focused. And that's the best thing I can say right now in regards to that. What is this, a cop or a drop, y'all? On the streets of France. This is the most aesthetic Foot Locker I've been in. They got Joker drawers in here, y'all. I might have to get these. Joker drawers is crazy work. Oh, they got my ones in here. Oh no, those are not the suede varsity though. I got the one suedes. These ones just remain leather.
Where are we right now?
This is Wynwood, Miami, and we're making our way through here. I like the artwork on the streets because it reminds me of Bushwick, Brooklyn too. So let's go. They're playing that Curtis Mayfield. Coyo Tacos. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. You walk into one of those little mom and pop stores out here in FL, you're gonna find some cool shit. I should probably cop one of these candles though. What are they talking about? They're talking about the mosque plum, that jasmine Snore. They got that clove and that white musk. I'm gonna make my room smell glorious. Once upon a time, before it was real, I dwelled in a place to God was ideal. My room smells like loud.